Good afternoon, student. So, in our online class, I have discussed about the concept of variables with the help of pattern of matchsticks. So, in that, if you want to form one L, you require two matchsticks. So, for 2L, you require 4 matchsticks. For 3L, you require 6 matchsticks. So, we generalize one formula that 2 multiplied by n, in which 2 is your number of matchsticks and n is your number of L. So here your n is nothing but it is a variable because its value vary according to your requirement. So we have introduced the concept of variables with the help of matchsticks pattern. So in that we have seen letter L, then letter C, then letter F, how you can form a generalized formula for these letters. Then we have discussed about the variables, what is the concept of variables. Okay. Now, if you want to form an equation, how will you form that? So let's see. So, see on page number 226. From there we have just stopped our online class. So, I start from there. So, in all the examples seen so far, the variable was multiplied by a number. Then can be different situations as well in which numbers are added, subtracted or divided. It is not like that if you want to use a variable, it is always you have to do the multiplication between number and the variables. It is based on the situation, you can add the variables, you can subtract the variables, you can divide the variables. So now we have seen the multiplication between variable and numbers. Now we will see multiplication as well as either addition or subtraction. So one example is given to you. Sarita says that she has 10 more marbles in her collection than Amina. If Amina has 20 marbles, so you can guess Sarita has how many marbles? If Amina has 20 marbles, so we can generalize the formula that whatever marbles Sarita has, that is 10 more compared to Amina's marble. Suppose Amina has 20 marbles. So Sarita has how much? 30 marbles. If Amina has 15 marbles. So Sarita has how much? 15 plus 10, 25 marbles. If Amina has 5 marbles. So Sarita has how much? 5 plus 10, 15 marbles. If Amina has 1 marble, then Sarita has 10 plus 1, 11 marbles. So this way you can just do the calculation. If you observe the calculation, so this term remains constant. So what is varying? Amina's marble. We don't know that Amina has actually how much marble. But we know the condition that whatever Amina has, Sarita has 10 more. If Amina has 1 marble, Sarita has 11. If Amina has 2 marbles, Sarita has 12. So if you keep on doing addition, 10 is remain as it is. So what is vary here? How many marbles Amina has? So this term vary. So what generalized formula you can guess? 10. This variables we can represent as x is equal to that much marble Sarita has. Okay, so this is the generalized formula in which you are using variable, you are using numbers, but in between there is a sign of addition. Previously we seen sign of multiplication. Now according to the situation we have to do addition, subtraction or division. So this is one situation in which we are doing the addition between variable and number. Okay, the expression x plus 10 cannot be simplified further. Why? The reason is given. Do not confuse x plus 10 with 10x. 10x means you are doing multiplication between number and variable, and x plus 10 means you are doing addition variable with number. Okay. So if you have 10x, so 10 into 2 you have 30, but 10 plus 2 you have 12. So that is the difference between multiplication and addition. Next situation, see. Now see one more situation. Raju and Balu are brothers and Balu is younger than Raju by 3 years. Means age of Balu is less compared to age of Raju by 3 years. Suppose Raju is 12 years old, so Balu is 3 years younger, means that much less you have to do from Raju's age. So here suppose you are taking Raju's age 12, so Balu's age is what? Balu is younger means Balu is age wise small compared to Raju. So 12 minus 3, so Balu's age is 9. Suppose Raju's age is 10 years. So Balu is younger means 10 minus 3. What is the answer? 7. Suppose Raju's age is 15 years. So Balu's age is what? 15 minus 3, 12 years. Suppose Raju's age is 20. So what is Balu's age? 20 minus 3, 17. So everywhere what is constant? 3. Why it is 3? Because whatever age you are considered for Raju, Balu is younger. So from that age criteria you have to subtract 3. So what is vary? Here we don't know what is the exact age of Raju. So for this we have to consider, suppose Raju's age is x. So what is Balu's age? So Balu's age is equal to what? X minus 3. So this way we can do the subtraction also for in between variable and constant. Okay. So this is the concept of variables and how you can generalize a formula that we have now understood. On the basis of that, now we will do the exercise 11.1 in next video. Thank you.